How to increase engagement on your Facebook group. Engagement. It's something of a buzzword when it comes to marketing, but it's also something that a lot of people aren't completely clear on. What precisely is engagement, and why does it matter anyway? Simply put, engagement tells you how much people interact with your brand. Getting people to see your logo is easy, you just need advertising. But if someone comments, it means that they read what you had to say and they were interested. Facebook groups are all about engagement. Engagement in this context means conversation, and group chats are really what provide the bread and butter of the Facebook group experience. If you get enough engagement, then you can use a group to make die-hard, lifelong fans for your brand. Moreover, you can use it to create a group that will run itself as conversations spark up and continue without the need for your involvement. Here's how you achieve more engagement. 1. Choose the right niche. The best Facebook groups are those with a very specific niche. The more specific your niche, the more you will attract a certain kind of person. Those people will then have more shared experiences and thus have more things to write about and discuss with one another. Try and go narrow and deep rather than broad and shallow with this one. 2. Be involved. Of course, it's also your job to make sure you encourage some interaction. To begin with, your group will very much depend on you to create and share content, so make sure you are leading the charge. Being involved yourself also means more than just posting new content. It can mean welcoming new members, for instance, and it can mean running contests. 3. Share the right content. The best content to share on a Facebook group is that which will promote conversation. Find things that are exciting, new, unusual, and even controversial. Don't post generic content that everyone already knows. 4. Invite your friends. Inviting friends is daunting for many business owners that want to keep their business and personal lives separate. However, having friends in your group will all but guarantee at least some activity early on. Find friends with the same interests and then chat in the group as you might do normally. This will provide great conversations as starting points for other new members to jump onto, and the natural camaraderie will be apparent.